Welcome to English Ava Technology, the podcast for learners who want to speak English with more confidence and ease. I'm Luna, and I'm here to guide you step by step, day by day, toward speaking English more naturally. In this episode, I will speak slowly and clearly. That way, you can follow along, repeat after me, and even shadow my voice. Today, we'll focus on something very simple, but also very powerful. How to practice English every single day. Even if you're busy. Even if you're shy. Even if you don't live in a country where English is spoken. Many people think, if I want to speak well, I must move to the UK or the US. But that's not true. You don't need to live in London. You don't need a native speaker next to you. And you don't need to spend hours every night studying grammar books. What you need are small, repeatable steps. Habits that are easy to fit into your life. Little actions that, over time, make a big difference. So, let's begin. What is shadowing? Maybe you've heard this word before. Maybe it's new. Shadowing is one of the most effective techniques to improve your speaking and listening together. Here's how it works. You listen to someone speaking English, like me right now. And you repeat almost at the same time, like an echo. You don't pause to translate. You don't stop to check the dictionary. You just copy the sound, the rhythm, the music of English. Let's try together. I want to speak English confidently. Repeat. I listen to English every day. Repeat. Shadowing makes me a better speaker. Repeat. That's it. That's shadowing. At first, it feels strange. You might not catch every single word. That's okay. Shadowing is not about perfect understanding. It's about training your mouth and your brain to move in English. If you do this often, even just 5 minutes daily, your speech will become faster, clearer, and more natural. It's a small habit with powerful results. So how can you practice English every day? Many students tell me, "Tom, I want to learn, but I don't have time." Or, "I feel nervous when I try to speak." Or, "I don't know how to start." And I always say, you don't need hours. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need to wait for the right moment. You just need to start. Here are 5 practical ways to practice English every day in real life. Tip 1. Listen to English daily. Listening is the foundation. If you want to speak better, you must listen more. Not once a week. Not only in class. Every day. Listening builds vocabulary. It teaches you the rhythm of English. It trains your ears to understand faster. And it shows you how people really speak, not just how textbooks explain it. So how do you do it? Listen to podcasts like this one. Play English music. Watch YouTube videos. Listen to short stories or simplified news. You don't need to understand everything. Even if you catch 30% or 50%, that's enough. You can listen while walking, cooking, cleaning, exercising, or even resting. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day makes a difference. Think of English as your background music. Tip 2. Shadow what you hear. Listening is step 1. Step 2 is speaking, using your own voice. After you listen to a line or short sentence, copy it. Match the speed. Match the tone. Match the rhythm. For example, I want to improve my English. Repeat. I don't understand everything, but I keep trying. Repeat. Little by little, I am getting better. Repeat. Do this every day. Repeat the same sentences many times. Your speech will grow smoother, your pronunciation sharper, your confidence stronger. And remember, don't aim for perfect. Aim for practice. Tip 3. Think in English. This is a game changer. Stop translating everything in your head. Start small. Start with simple thoughts. When you wake up, it's morning. I'm tired. I need coffee. When you go outside, the sky is blue. The air is cool. I see a dog. During the day, I'm working. I'm hungry. I want to rest. At first, say them silently in your mind. Later, whisper them softly. It's like having a daily mini conversation with yourself in English. This habit will help you connect directly to English, no delay, no translation. Tip 4. Read aloud. Silent reading is good, but reading aloud is better. When you read aloud, your eyes, your mouth, and your brain work together. It's like exercise for your speaking muscles. Choose short texts. A children's story. A beginner's article. A dialogue from a video or podcast. Read it slowly and clearly. Then read it again, a little faster. Then one more time with expression, like an actor. This improves pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. Tip 5. Live with English. Don't just study English. Make English part of your daily life. For example, change your phone settings to English. You'll see words like update, settings, download, and soon they'll feel natural. Keep a short diary in English. Just 2 to 3 sentences about your day. Record a 1-minute voice note about what you did. Listen to yourself. Notice mistakes. Improve. Join an English group online. Share short messages. Read what others write. Watch short videos. Pause. Repeat what you hear. Even small actions, like writing your to-do list in English, or saying good morning in English build strong habits. When English becomes part of your real life, it no longer feels like homework. It feels natural. And that's when fluency begins. Final thoughts. So remember, listen every day. Shadow with your voice. Think in English. Read out loud. And live with English